Thank you, Michael, and hello, Jamf Nation. Although I'm not able to attend in person, I'm excited to see that Jamf JNUC is happening live again, and that you have the opportunity to learn and collaborate in person with each other. We at AWS are part of Jamf Nation, using Jamf to manage our own growing Mac fleet. Our IT team, who is with you in San Diego, is looking forward to all of the announcements, sessions, and learnings at the conference this week. Now let's talk about EC2 Mac. For the longest time, our customers have told us that they would love to have their Apple build environments integrated with AWS services and benefit from the scale, elasticity, reliability, and security of AWS. We found that many of our customers were trying to rig Macs under their desks or maintain their own data centers to create apps for Apple. Unsurprisingly, all of this led to significant capital expenditure, operational overhead, DevOps fragmentation, and loss of agility. Supporting these Apple developer workloads required us to support Apple macOS, which, as you know, can only be run on Apple-branded computers. Bringing macOS to AWS meant bringing Apple Macs into our data centers, and we were up to the challenge. Thanks to extensive support from our friends at Apple and by leveraging the innovative capabilities of the AWS Nitro system, this is exactly what we did. In 2020, we launched Mac for EC2, enabling customers to provision and access on-demand macOS compute environments in the cloud for the first time ever, and so they can focus on creating groundbreaking apps for iPhone, iPad, Macs, and other Apple industry-leading devices. Earlier this year, we also launched EC2 M1 Mac instances that enable Apple Silicon environments for the first time in AWS. Customers re-architecting your macOS applications for Apple Silicon Mac computers can now achieve faster builds with bare metal performance and convenient distributed testing without having to procure, install, manage, patch, and upgrade the physical infrastructure. And customer feedback since our launch has been amazing. We've seen thousands of customers migrate and modernize their Apple builds on EC2 and innovate further with additional AWS services, including Amazon S3 for scalable storage, CloudFormation for build automation, Amazon VPC for network security, Amazon Machine Images for flexible macOS images, and Amazon CloudWatch for continuous monitoring. Customers such as Pinterest, Intuit, Goldman Sachs, Riot Games, Pokemon, and Groupon have reported up to 4 times improvement in build performance and up to 3 times increase in parallel builds and up to 80% reduction in build failures. Well, still, one request that we've often heard from our customers is that they wanted a better way to manage their full fleet of virtual Macs in a similar way to that they did within their on-premise environments. As a result of those conversations and months of collaboration with the team at Jamf, I'm excited to share with you that Amazon and Jamf are bringing to customers a new and completely unique capability to manage EC2 Mac instances with Jamf Pro that enhances manageability of EC2 Mac instances for deploying policies, configuring profiles, and installing software. Provisioned EC2 Mac instances can now be automatically enrolled in Jamf Pro the moment that they are procured within the AWS portal. We have already released a product preview of this capability. In fact, one of our customers, Wipro, is with you at JNUC and will be doing a session with our AWS team. We're excited for you to try out the automated Jamf management on your EC2 Mac instances and can't wait to hear your feedback. Enjoy the rest of JNUC. Back to you, Michael.